Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to do something easy but special, cause I'll show you how to make soft and moist braided cinnamon bread. 1 cup warm milk, 1/4 cup white sugar and a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon yeast. Mix well. 3 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1 piece egg. 1/4 cup softened butter. 1 cup raisin. Knead until elastic for about 8 to 10 minutes. Form a ball and coat with oil. Cover the dough and rest for an hour or until it double the size. Divide into 4. Stretch the dough. Cut into 3. Stretch the dough and flatten. For filling, 1/4 cup softened butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup raisins, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. We'll spread the filling, roll out our dough for braiding. Now here comes the fun part. Braid the dough. Look how good it was! After braiding, cover and rise for another 30 minutes. Brush the dough of an egg yolk before baking. Bake at 180 C for 30 minutes. The smell of cinnamon and bread baking together is just heavenly. The bread is soft and fluffy. The cinnamon filling adds a sweet and spicy kick. Now enjoy a warm hug in every bite.